Today we'll do some more questions, some more problems based on integration. So how to find out integration, how to actually integration, as we all know that integration is the inverse operation of differentiation. So today we'll see different types of questions, different types of problems. Other question, we have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So first of all what we can do, हम break कर देते हैं. ओके, ए प्लस बी टू द पावर 3, उसका फॉर्मूला क्या था? ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब. सो ए क्यूब का वैल्यू 8x क्यूब, सो 8x क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब 1 प्लस 2a² बी. सो 2 इंटू ए स्क्वायर दैट इज 4 एंड बी, सॉरी 3a² बी. सो 3 इंटू a स्क्वायर इज 4x², सो 12x² प्लस 3ab², 3 into 2x into 1 का स्क्वायर, so 3 into 2 6x, okay. So ये हुआ into dx, ठीक. So the value will be, what we have to do, 8x² divided by x² plus 1 upon x² plus 12x², x क्यूब ना, यहाँ पे x क्यूब होगा. why? because 2x का क्यूब होल क्यूब, so 8, 2 का क्यूब will be 8 and x का क्यूब x क्यूब. okay, a क्यूब plus b क्यूब plus 3a² b plus 3ab². okay, fine. So this is x², so there should be power 3. okay, now plus 6x divided by x², okay, and dx. So now what value we are having? x² cancel, so 8x plus 1 upon x² मतलब x to the power minus 2 plus x² cancel, so 12 plus 6x², 6x upon x, so it will be 6 upon x, so 6x to the power minus 1. ठीक है, so this value we are having and we have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So integral of this function with respect to x, what we'll get, x का पावर 1 है, so x का पावर 2 हो जाएगा, 8 into x का पावर 2 divided by 2, so ये होगा 4. okay, so यहाँ पे होगा 4x². now plus x का पावर माइनस 2 है, तो x का पावर प्लस 1 ऐड करेंगे, इट विल बी x का पावर माइनस 1 एंड डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस 1. ओके, नाउ प्लस 12 को व्हेन विल इंटीग्रेट, इट विल बी x का पावर क्या है, 0 है, x का पावर 1 हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 1. ओके, नाउ x का पावर इज माइनस 1, सो माइनस 1 एंड प्लस 1, what will the value, 6 into x का पावर इज माइनस 1 एंड विल एड 1, तो क्या होगा, x का पावर 0, सो x का पावर 0 मतलब इट विल बी 1. ओके, x का पावर 0 क्या हो जाएगा, x का पावर 0 मतलब 1, we'll just multiply this by 1 and divided by minus, okay, sorry, what we'll do, 6 upon x, it means 6 into 1 upon x. We cannot do this like this, x to the power minus 1 करके हम नहीं करेंगे. So what we'll do, 6 into 1 upon x का वैल्यू क्या होता है, log of x. ठीक है, so this value and plus c. ठीक है, so now this is 4x² and यहाँ पे माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस x to the power 1, it means 1 upon x plus 12x plus 6 log of x plus c. So this will be the value when we are doing integration of this function, when we are finding out. So integral of this function with respect to x is this function. Okay, so we have another kind of question. This question, we have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So what we are having here, so phi into, can we write like this, x to the power 6 plus 1 को we can also write, we can break. So क्या होगा, x² plus 1, तो x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1. अगर हम इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे what value will get? See, x to the power into x to the power 2 into x to the power 4, that will be x to the power 6. Now x to the power 1 into x to the power 4 minus x square into x square, that will be x to the power 4. So plus minus cancel हो जाएगा. Now similarly from this one when we'll multiply this x square and minus x square से 1 को multiply करेंगे again वो भी cancel हो जाएगा. So what value will get final? X to the power 6 plus 1 ही हमें मिलेगा. Okay, so x to the x square, you can multiply this. Yes, when you will multiply these two now, you will get this value. Okay, just check if you have any doubt. Okay, and so this value will get. So what we'll do, हम simplify इसको basically हम simplify करने के लिए we are doing this. So when we'll cancel this, it will be more easy for us to calculate. Okay, so when this is a scalar number 5, so what we'll do, 5 है, then x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1 dx. Okay, we have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So 5 will be here, and now first of all we'll integrate this function. What we have to do, power हम एक increase करेंगे, so x to the power 5 होगा and divided by 5 minus x to the power 2 है तो x to the power 3 होगा divided by 3. Now x to the power 0 है, nothing is there, so it will be x, okay, divided by 1 and plus c. Okay, so what value we'll get? We'll get this value. क्या value हमें मिलेगा? Okay, so now ये value है, but we can और simplify this. 5 into 5 cross हो जाएगा, so it will be x to the power 5 minus 5 upon 3, 5x cube upon 3 कर सकते हैं, and this will be plus 5x and plus c. ये value हमें मिल जाएगा. Okay, so this will be the value when we find the, this will be the integral value of this function with respect to x. Okay, so we have another question, x to the x cube multiplied by 2 minus 3 upon x to the power 2. Okay, so this is the function. We have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So first of all we'll multiply this x cube multiplied by a minus b whole square. What will be the formula of a minus b whole square? So a square, that is 4, plus b square, that is 9 upon x square, and minus 2ab, minus 2 into this, so 4 into 3, 12 upon x. Okay, so this will be the value of a this minus this whole square. Okay, so a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Okay, 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12 divided by x. Okay, so this is, now we'll multiply this. So 4x cube plus 9x cube divided by x square, so 9x minus 12x cube divided by x, so it will be 12x square. ठीक है, so this is the function जिसका integral we have to find out with respect to x. So first of all 4 into x to the power, we have to increase 1, so it will be 4 divided by 4, 4 cancel, plus 9x का है तो 9x square divided by 2. Okay, minus, because we have to increase the power, and the power जो है we have to divide by this by the power. Okay, so the current power. So now it has the 12 into x to the power 2. So x to the power 2 है तो it will become x to the power 3, and we have to divide it by 3. So ये 4, okay, and plus c. ठीक है, now x to the power 4 plus 9x square divided by 2 minus x cube plus c. Okay, so this will be the value. Okay, so we have another question. We have to evaluate this function. So we have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll divide every value with x. So what value we'll get, x cube divided by x, x square होगा, 4x square divided by x 4x होगा. Now 6x divided by x 6 and plus 5 upon x, okay, with respect to x. So now we'll find out the value. X square, when we'll integrate x square with respect to x, we'll get x to the power 3 divided by 3. 4x, so 4x square divided by 2, so this will be 2, minus 6, so 6x होगा and 5 into 1 upon x, so it will be 5 log of x, okay, 5 log of x plus c, okay. So what will be the value? X cube upon 3 plus 2x square minus 6x plus 5 log of x plus c. So this will be the integral value. This will be the integral function of. We have one more question. We have to find out the value of this one. Okay. So now, first of all, we'll solve this one. What can be the value of e to the power a log x? So e to the power a log x को can we write like this? Log of x to the power a. ठीक है? And this is natural log. It means base is e. Okay? And in this case, can we write like this? E to the power log of x is there, so we can write x log a means log of a to the power x. So log of a to the power x, and this is also natural log, so base e. Okay, and so now e to the power log x to the power a base e. Okay, when base is e, so in that case the value will be x to the power a, and for this one the value will be a to the power x. Okay, with respect to x we have to find out. Now what will be the value of this one? Separately we'll do. Okay, so x to the power a with respect to x plus integral of a to the power x with respect to x. So what will be the value when we are breaking this? X to the power a. So when we are differentiating x to the power a, what we are getting? Power will be 1 less, and we have to multiply with the power. Okay, so first of all here what we'll do, x to the power a plus 1, and we'll divide it by a plus 1. Okay, now for this one, a to the power x. So when we are differentiating a to the power x, what we are getting? A to the power x into log of a. So here यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to divide. So a to the power x, when we are integrating, so what will be the integral of a to the power x with respect to x? A to the power x divided by log of a. Okay, so this will be the value, and plus c we have to write for every integration because c is constant. Okay, so we have another question. We have to find out the value of this one, where we have to find out the integral of this function with respect to t. So first of all we'll break this. E to the power 1 minus 5t with respect to t plus integral of 1 upon 5t plus 1 with respect to t. Okay, now what will be the value of exponential of this one? So when we are differentiating e to the power x, so what we are getting? E to the power x ही मिलता है, right? But this is 1 minus 5t. After differentiating this, what we'll get? Minus 5 we'll get. Okay, so but minus 5 जो मिलेगा, we used to multiply this in case of differentiation. So here what we have to do? We have to divide it. Okay, so the value will be e to the power 1 minus 5t, and after and we have to divide it by minus 5. Okay, plus this 1 upon something, 1 upon x, या x का function, that will be log of 5t plus 1. ठीक है, and again now in case of differentiation what we have to do, इसे भी हमें differentiate करना पड़ेगा differently. Okay, now then in that case it will be 5, because differentiating 5t will get 5 and differentiating 1 will get 0. Okay, because 1 is a constant. Okay, so जो 5 रहेगा उससे हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना रहता है, तो इन केस ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन, बट हियर इन केस ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 5. Okay, and plus c, always keep plus c, that is constant. So now 5 we can take common, minus तो ऊपर चला जाएगा, so 1 upon 5 we can take common, या फिर we can write like this, this one can be in minus, so minus e to the power 1 minus 5t plus log of 5t plus 1 divided by 5 plus c. ठीक है, I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.